here we are, tying up again. As you can see, we got some beautiful weather today. Could not resist coming out to this weather, and we're hopefully gonna catch a couple fish. Get you this way too. I'd really like to get some topwater going, but we'll see if we can get that done and caught on camera. That'd be really cool. But if we can just catch a couple fish, maybe a big fish, kind of going for like the PB of the channel type of thing. So I'm gonna use kind of regular baits, just stuff I fish with every day. Jigs, creature baits, nothing too crazy, but we're definitely gonna do some fishing. Ooh, put my head up like that and see if we can't catch a fish. Nice and quiet. We're gonna hit that spot first. Don't want to spook them. Give me a minute. Okay, after giving you that minute there, I kind of realized I don't have my normal, oh my goodness, you guys are getting taller. I don't have my normal stuff with me. I brought both bags, but I don't have like my normal carbon light rod. And it's the heaviest rod and reel I have probably. But I've got another heavy over here with a little bit lighter line. But we're gonna have to tie up something here. I mean, I think we're gonna tie up just a normal creature bait that I use. I should have some in here. Huh, okay. Forgot my other rod. Forgot that. We do have some big worms. Interesting. Okay. Well, you know what? I do. Oh, what is that? Alright, I got a couple. Only one I like. So I might have to do the crazy talk and throw on a Guggen bait or something. I'm just gonna check this. I'm just gonna check this out. I'm just gonna Texas rig this guy, and we'll be back just with some fishing. Oh, no way. First cast? Seriously? Nope. Thought I got slurped. Got stuck. Stuck. Thought it was gonna break me off. I don't know why I have this jacket on. Oh my goodness, what the heck was I doing? It's Idaho in July, but I guess you always need a jacket just in case. Dang it, I saw that bite too. All right. We're gonna be super quiet for a second. Maybe that guy's gonna need to rest. Make a couple more casts since there was a fish here. Oh, it looked like one moved too. And everyone. All right, you. That's right, you specifically. You specifically. Okay, I felt like I had something going there in the pad. So I'm gonna drop a little jig on the edge there. See if we can't maybe pull them. Not really on the edge though. Swim it by him on the outside first, get him looking. then we'll hit him on the edge. See if we can't blast him one out. All right, we'll let it rest. Give it a minute. I mean, really, this is what we're going to be poking at over here. Don't want to get too quiet. I'm just going to kind of slowly work my way down the bank. I'll throw the creature for now, and I'll probably jig a little wood. Jig a little wood. God, that one fish messed up my bait. There we go, half a wacky rig with a weight. I don't know why. Don't know if it's because I'm old school and my grandpa was so old school when teaching me. I have a real problem going to like a bandito bug or something, and it's the same bug. So that's what I've got, so I'm gonna put it on, of course, and see if we can't catch some. Of course I don't have the little tripod thing, so that's good. Okay, forgot the bug. That's good too. Just throw a hook out there. Baitless challenge. What you got? The videos or it didn't happen. Okay, let's see here. So if I catch a mondo on this, of course, I'm gonna be digging this for a minute. And the brother will be happy. He likes to bother me about it. All the time. Alright, it looks good. I didn't hook it right, but it looks good. God, there's bugs in the air, there's birds in the air. Let's go with this fish again. Oh! Damn it. And why wouldn't it get smoked on the first cast with the camera turned in the wrong spot on Topwater? Why wouldn't that happen? That's funny. That's fun. Alright, guys. I'm freaking. You know when you just gotta mess with the baits for a while? We're gonna fish over here for a second. I keep seeing blow-ups. God, I need to get that out of there. Blow up that, maybe. Any better? See my butt? Little guy. Whoa. on the bandito bug. Okay, not quite. Whoa, not quite what we're looking to do. That is a very little smallmouth or largemouth. Yep, largie. Let's do it. I saw another one or two flash and I had a couple more bites. Let's keep going. Boom. That was on the bug. And it's still usable for another round here. She got attached. Oh yeah, baby. Top water action. Oh, he's still flipping. He's still flipping. It's gotta be like a 2. Hungry hippo. Alright, we gotta kind of seal off here. Hurry up, baby. Get the camera all situated here. Get your back over. Bam. Oh, the zipper. I've been watching my zipper this whole time. Here we go, though. Another one on the bug. That's something, ain't it? Always got to give my brother crap. But assuming he watches this, I'll say, thanks, brother. Hopefully you're watching. Goodness. It's a good little length on her. Alright, she doesn't wanna hang out with me anymore. Let's get her in here. Ooh, sharp teeth right now. Feeders. Okay. 1.8. 1.5. Not too shabby. Topwater, which was what we were looking for. Give her one more kiss. Alright. Slowly drop her in. Alright, let's turn you back around here. See if we can't do that some more. I'll get my zipper out of your face too. Let's see. Yeah, you like that angle though, huh? Tell me about it. Only half of my angles were as good as that angle, we'd be in business. Like I'd be strong. Let's see if we can't get some top water off this set of pads here. Not like that way. make your baits last longer. Seriously, just tear the head off for a minute. It's not going to affect it that much. The shoulders become a little more broad, but you can at least get a couple more casts out of it. Typically, this one, I don't know. What's going to happen with this look? Back to no confidence in this bug. And not really no confidence, I just really like the other one. But this one got blown up on, it really did. But the other bug is just kicks a little different. Let's try to get some more top water. Things I fish with all the time. I don't know what's going on here. We weren't getting stuck in the little pads. These pads, man, oh man. We're gonna have to move a little bit here. Kind of fish this point. Already off its side. See as soon as I hit the water. Nice. Got him on the broken bug. Got him on the broken bug. Well, that's another good one. Ooh, he took the bug. But look at that guy. Ooh. Ooh, feeders. Ooh, feeders right now. Look at that. Bam! Alright, enough being silly. Well, not enough, but enough to get this out of here. Ready? Old school pop. We're gonna get a little weight on this girl. God dang it. We're usually better about a pretty handy quick release. What you got? What you want? 1.5, 1.7. Another 1.5. Thought she was a 2, but great looking largie for sure. Let's see if we can get a good little dump here. Nice and easy. Pull along. All right, let's see if we can get some more of that. I'm gonna turn this around a little. Yeah, that's right. I might need a bait. That bait was hanging half off, and I just happened to stop it right there. I saw the pad move, so you gotta drop, stop, drop, and roll. A couple more of these in different colors, because I think I'm gonna get knocked off or bit off or something. Try to get another topwater on camera right here, but I'm pretty sure the phone is literally screaming at me because I've done nothing but have it on since I got here. So, let's see if we can get one more topwater here real quick. Then we'll switch her off and do a little fishing a la carte. Had to kick you guys on for a sec. This point over here just looks too. Hey, you're gonna fall asleep. Let me help you. Boy, getting sloppy on this. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one was on me. Anyway, this point over here just looks too good. Not kick the camera on for a minute. Alright guys, if we don't get something on this next like caster on the corner, I gotta give my phone a break. Beating it up today. Oh, and beat up this bug. Wow. Alright, let's go like this. And a little something like that. And a little something off the top on that side. Alrighty, here we go now. I said, here we go now. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little break. Just a sec, stick with me though. You guys in there still? Whoa, I'm barely in here. What we're gonna do to close this video out, kind of, I fished a stretch over there and didn't get anything else. I hooked into something. I think it was a big pike. When I set the hook, it did not move. It was running away from me at about a mile a minute. So we're going to try a little bit more, film a little bit more over here, and see if we can get something going before we go. And then we'll close you guys out with a little nice ride home. I think you'll enjoy that. It's a decent evening. Let's go. If you can't tell, I just really want to get over to these pads over here. Whoa. Not that fast though. Jeez guys. Gotta slow it down a clip. thought we would have had a blow up already. So we're gonna stay kind of quiet and see if we can make it happen. Man, there are fish jumping everywhere out here. We should be able to nail a couple more down. We only have like an hour maybe, tops. The pads are fantastic, but we're gonna switch over here a little bit. Quiet. We're gonna hit these guys over here. See all these standing reeds? Let's see if we can't get a fish out of them. Oh shit. What? Whoosh. We're gonna look over here because you guys can see those pads, can't you? That little clump right there. Let's see if we can get something to react. I know you want to see a topwater. Who doesn't? Switch back over to this stuff because we're going to be coming up some grass that's actually really good looking. Man, I don't know if it's this line or if that was a pike again, but we just got bit off on a blow up, baby. God. I don't know. Maybe it's this braid. I set the hook pretty damn hard. I don't think the braid was frayed. I don't know, maybe. All right, well, you know what, guys? I hate to end it on a break off, but I guess this is where we're gonna break up because the sun goes down in North Idaho even in July, and I'm freezing to death. So we're gonna call it good. I might throw a cast or two on the way back. So if you'll hang tight for an update, hopefully an update. Am I cutting to an update? If not, yeah. Oh, wrap up. Update, wrap up, update, wrap up. We'll be right back up. Okay. All right, here we go. We do have an update. Jeez. This guy right here is like a pound, maybe, probably 3/4 pound. Came off the lucky dock here. So we'll see. Maybe I have an update too. Maybe not. It'll be the outro. But maybe an update. But maybe the outro. Maybe the update. Maybe the outro though. Probably the outro. Oh, here. There we go. Fingers too wet. Oh my goodness. Still too wet? What am I doing? Alright. We got update number 2, baby. So with my leg a little here. Another little 2-pounder. Alright. Look at the length. Not bad, girl. Great color. Don't have my normal little tripod, so I'm going to support her with my leg a little here. But yeah, another 2-pounder. And the day of 2-pounders. Oops. Oh, sliding off. Oh, there you go. All right. Unless I catch another one from here to literally there, the launch is just over there. I won't probably update you anymore. I'll probably just take you out. I might even be at the car or be at the house, but I'll take you out one way or the other. You'll either see like some super bright sunshine or just some more darkness. But the next one will be pa. All right, it's just a wrap up. We had the 2 updates of the 2 different fish that we caught right at the end of the trip. Ended up kind of slowing down because there were a bunch of people loading up. So casted 2 of our confidence docks, we call them. And that was a couple fish. So that's awesome. Got some topwater in this video. Got some fish in the video. Good stuff. I don't, going through this one and looking at it, I was kind of enjoying myself, I think, and a little bit of an edit there. I kind of started to trail off, kind of losing my marbles, I think, kind of stroking out a little bit. But like I was saying a second ago, giveaway. Next video, standard YouTube stuff. I'll post it up on FishBrain, Fish Angler, all the normals. Also, I've started all social medias pretty much. It'll be at Bassin Battles on Twitter, at Bassin Battles on Instagram, at Bassin Battles on Facebook, at Bassin Battles on... what's the other ones? Is that all of them? LinkedIn, Snapchat, kind of all of them. I'm going to be just throwing pictures up like crazy, so hopefully you enjoy. Join me on all those platforms at Bassin Battles, and let's keep it going. Keep fishing. Everybody enjoy the rest of the summer, rest of the sunshine, and we'll catch you guys on a few. All right, bye.